Hi there! In this quiz you have 12 questions about phrasal verbs. Each question has a sentence with one word missing. You have to choose which word is missing from the list. You have about 5 to 6 seconds to do this before you hear a bell and then I give the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the phrasal verb and improve your pronunciation. After each question, you will be given a brief explanation of the meaning of the phrasal verb. If you need more time, don't forget to press the pause button. Okay, let's go. Number 1. Oh, it's raining. We'd better put the barbecue off until tomorrow. Number 2. The high cost of university is putting a lot of students off. Number 3. I can put you up at my house while you find somewhere to live. Number 4. Throw some water on the fire, that should put it out. Number 5. The injuries to the horse were so bad that it had to be put down. Number 6. I've had enough of his rudeness and I'm not putting up with it. Number 7. Hello, could you put me through to Mr. Simmons, please? Number 8. We should put some money by to pay for a holiday. Number 9. That teacher always puts the meaning across very clearly. Number 10. The restaurant bill came to £50, so we all put £10 in to cover it. Number 11. He keeps putting his wife down whenever she tries to say anything. And finally, number 12. It's getting dark. Can you put the light on?